Hi students. So next topic on the formula based problem will be the e to the power f of x is equal to e to the power f of x into f dash of x. By using the such a formula we can see the problems on it and we can do solve practice to e to the power tan x. So जो कि हमें अपनी टेक्निक से जो कि प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हैं उसी टेक्निक से हम प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करेंगे. गिवन डाटा विल बी y is equal to e to the power 10x and find by dy by dx. Okay, so differentiate y with respect to x. Y with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to d by dx of the y function will be e to the power 10x. We know that. Second step, e to the power 10x of the derivative will be the e to the power 10x as like this 10x, and again derivative will be 10x. Derivative of the 10x will be sec square x e to the power 10x, and again derivative of the 10x we know 10x derivative will be the sec square x plus c be the final answer. So we know the formulas and we know the technique on the formula problem how can to solve, and by using technique only 5 steps we can do and a final answer will be the get it. So formula based problem very important in the exam point of view. Second example will be the we can see u is equal to e to the power x square plus 2x to the power 3. By using the formula based problem we can solve. We know given in the first step given is equal to u is equal to e to the power x square plus 2x to the power 3. In the given example we know the formula. First step e to the power f of x. Second step will be the x raised to the n. In the two formulas we know find the answer. So formula based problem formula will be very important for solving the problems. Okay, u with respect to x du by dx is equal to d by dx of the y function will be e to the power x square plus 2x to the power 3. We know the e raised to the power function will be there as like this x square plus 2x to the power 3, and again derivative will be d by dx of the function x square plus 2x to the power 3. Okay, next step find the derivative of the function. 2x to the power 3 of the derivative function will be the 3 into x square plus 2x to the power 2, and again derivative of the function will be x square plus 2x. Final answer of the u function du by dx is equal to e to the power x square plus 2x to the power 3 of 3 cos 3x square plus 2x to the power 2, and of the derivative will be 2x plus 2. 2x plus 2 be the final answer of the derivative functions. Do the practice it जो कि हमें सेकंड एग्जाम्पल में जो कि फाइंड करने के लिए दिया था, डी यू इज इक्वल टू e टू द पावर x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x ऑफ द पावर 3 बाय फाइंडिंग द डिफरेंशिएट y विथ u विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x। हमें फॉर्मूला पता था e टू द पावर f of x is equal to of the derivative will be e to the power f of x, and second step will be the x to the power n is equal to n into x to the power n minus 1. By using the two formulas we can see the such a type of example by using the solving the tricks.